Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I remain your host, King Henry the Great. So in this special edition, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing one of the very best phones from Nokia. And when I say best phones, I'm not talking about an iPhone or a Samsung. The internet has almost made people very unproductive. A phone which literally has to be for communications has become greatly distracting, right? So I'll be showing us a very special phone from Nokia, like I said earlier, and this is the Nokia 6300 4G. It's a feature phone with a smart dumb phone, right? Has KaiOS as its operating system, and KaiOS gives you WhatsApp, Facebook, and just some basic internet needs, and it's also 4G and super fast. I've actually been using KaiOS devices since like 2019, of which MTN Smart T was literally my very first KaiOS phone. So when I noticed Nokia has jumped on the trend, I knew I literally had to get me one. So we're going to be unboxing this phone shortly, but if you look at the back here, you see we have a 2.4-inch display, Wi-Fi and hotspot available, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, 4G lights, some kind of Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Yeah, it's just unique. So come on guys, let's unbox this. Alright, so we're just going to get right into our unboxing. Our Nokia 6300 4G comes in a very simple pack, and it just has this tip here. We're just going to open it up like so, and then first thing we see in box is our phone, and opening this up we have a battery, a headphone jack. Wow, I don't know, this headphone jack looks semi-damaged, but this is Nokia. I bet it will still work. Yeah, there we go. And a micro USB charger, and this supports, well, I can't see this clearly, but surely it's going to be very. And the next thing we have is your manuals and your warranty card, right? So here we are, Nokia 6300. Wow, this is looking slightly bigger than the MTN phone I used to use. And the button right here are just so iconic. I think this is literally like the best keypad you can find on one. This MTN Smart T here comes with 512 megabyte of RAM and 4 gig internal storage, and I believe that's same for the Nokia. So it has 4G Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, VGA camera, FM radio, micro SD card up to 32 gig, 1500 milliampere battery. Okay. So what I'm simply going to do, so opening up the phone, we have our two SIM slots and our micro SD slot. I'm just simply going to transfer all of my stuff from on here to here. removing my SIMs. I want to put my MTN. The MTN phone almost uses the same battery, but let's just focus on our 1500 battery. And so our power button is actually at the top. So you want to power on your phone from the top, like the Symbian days. You want to on everything. And our phone is set up. So if we go into our settings, we want to look for storage. Mm. And this is our KaiOS interface. And just like other Nokia phone usually come with Snake games, you surely wouldn't miss that from this one. Yeah, do you want some? Yeah, yeah. uh, okay, these are the controls. Look at the sound of that keyboard. All right, guys, thank you so much for the video. Yeah, this phone could be really scarce to find around. So if you would want one for yourself, just leave a comment. And if you would love us to unbox more Nokia feature phones or other feature phones, just type it in the comment section and we'll go through that. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.